Beautiful flowers that you find in the woods. They're probably protected. This is up by a nice waterfall, which I'll definitely show you. But I wanted to show you these beautiful flowers. Just part of beautiful wild flowers that grow in the woods. The boy's gonna fish there. And look at the beautiful waterfall. Oh, listen to that. So lovely to see such a beautiful waterfall. It's not real high as far as height, but it's beautiful the way the layers of the rocks are and the water coming right down. See how it's all kind of layered? See the layer of the rocks? From the very top, some come right off the top. Look, from the side, from underneath in there, all falls down. And you can see all the layers in the rocks in between. Kind of like a little cave in there, behind the water. So it's all layered and comes down. And then the other side, kind of skinny. So this one's skinny. Look how skinny that one is. That one just comes right from the very top. It comes in really skinny all together, giving you that beautiful design coming down. Straight down, hitting a few rocks on the way down. Give you a little splash at the bottom. Alright, so one kind of coming underneath the rock and one over the rock. Beautiful. The peacefulness. This would actually make a good screensaver for your computer and everything. Have that picture in the water flowing. And of course, right down there, the boys are fishing. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, now be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you more. Bye-bye now.